Charing.
You know, we are so jam-packed with so many activities that we have very few rest days. But on the weekends when we do get that day, I really love to just connect with myself. I spend a lot of time journaling and I spend a lot of time praying. It really helps me ground myself. And, you know, my family, being a representative of a Philcom area, all of my family is actually still in America, so I would go back and connect with them as well as my friends back at home.
Go girl.
Something they told me from the very beginning is that we will need sleep. So majority of the day is actually probably spent sleeping, and I was privileged enough to live with my cousins and my uncle here, so when I'm not sleeping, I'm bothering them. So it's either sleeping or being annoying.
Annoying.
I'm definitely someone who thrives in preparation, so I love filling my calendar up. Recently, I spent time with the current students of Philippine Science High School. They had so many questions about the Chica, about Miss Universe Philippines. But more importantly, I just wanted to reconnect with where I came from and give back and share my story as an engineer in Silicon Valley. And I know some of them aspire to become that as well. So aside from resting, I also love working out. I'm someone who goes to the gym every day. I think recently I posted a video of me doing handstands. So fun things like that, and yeah, rest talaga and giving back to the community.
Okay, girls, thank you. End na tayo. Charing. Charing. So, hello, good afternoon. My name is Oyel for the Philippines on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. Okay, for the final question, as